Hi, I'm Celia Creer. I'm the designer for Black Spring Kayaks, and I want to tell you about this model I designed for them. It's the Bingo. It's a 14 feet touring kayak, so that's about 4.3 meters. It's designed to be super stable and super maneuverable, so it's very easy for beginners to paddle. Lots of stability, extra size cockpit, makes it easy to get in and out. But also very responsive. So more experienced paddlers can use it to go surfing, which I do as well. So just a very versatile boat. It's available with a skeg option or a rudder. It's got sealed bulkheads, front and back, and also a dayhatch in the front, or lunch box. So yeah, I think as an entry-level kayak, you can't really go better than this.